So most people solve this question like 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Then 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now 3 multiply 5 is equal to 15. Right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, and second priority is exponents. Third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, we have one subtraction and here we have one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis. So is equal to 4 minus 1. Now solve this parenthesis, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So now here we have one subtraction and here we have one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication. 4 minus, now 1 multiply 5 is equal to 5. So 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Right? So the correct answer is minus 1. So if you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.